What's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video guys, I will teach the choreography of the song called I'll Go Up by SB19. Alright, this is a special choreography for me because this is actually, if you see, there's a setup here. This is online. I don't have students with me, so it's quite difficult for me to actually teach the difficult one. So I modified all the choreography that I made. So yeah, hope you enjoy and yeah, let's start. Here we go. We do it 2/8, 2/8. Okay? So it goes like, so basically we were facing front, right? But you can face on left a little bit to your left. So it goes like this: 7 and 1, 2, then double tap this one. It's like 3, 4. Okay? 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then take time. 5, close 6, front 7 and 8. Then go back 1, 2. Okay? Copy? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Then you're gonna go circle 3, 4, front 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one is fast. For the last time. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next, for this one, arm 1, 2. Side 3, close on 4. Copy? Then 5, you can point 5, 6. Step on 7, the 8. Continue. Close on 1, clap on 2. So your weight is on your right. 2. Copy? One more time. So 7, 8, 1, at 2. Drive 3 and a 4. You're gonna push it 5, 6, and 7, 8. This is 1, 2. Yes. So let's try from here. So 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Push 6 and 7, 8. Go 1, 2. This is 3. Lift on 4, 5, 6. Close on 7, 8. And ad lib 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Point 6, 7, 8. Close 1. Clap 2, 3, 4. Push 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 7, 8, and 1, 2. Add the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 2 8s. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this one, you're gonna go 1 and 2. Open on 3. In 4. Jump 5. Sway 6. Chest 7, 8. So for this one is quick. So make it small movement. 7, 8. Okay, one more time. After freestyle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Jump on 5, 6, 7, 8. then freestyle again. 4 counts going to the front, like we're talking to the camera. 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5, 6. Push 7, not 8. Go up. And finish. Ad-lib. Yeah. Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning. We'll do it slowly. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 7. Away. Freestyle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Down. 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. And yes! Now let's try with music. Thank you guys so much. Hope you enjoy the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.